Overtraders! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, it doesn't matter. This is your daily reminder that through your extremely hard work and dedication, you have been anointed with a skill that allows you to pull money out of the market any day. So take your money and go. Take your money and go. I don't think you hear me. Take your money and go. Take your money and go.
Did you pray today? Go ahead and. Did you meditate? Go ahead and. Did you give? Oh, go ahead and. Hey, I said, did you pray today? Go ahead and. Did you meditate? Go ahead and. Now, if you gave today, go ahead and.
I'm so proud of you. You stuck to your rules. You don't overstay your time. You're so damn cool. So I'm so proud of you. You stuck to the plan. And so you will buy some jewels and let's get some land.
But first, you gotta.
Take your money and go. Yeah. Take your money and go. I don't think you heard me. Yeah. Take your money and go. Take your money and go. The market is closed. Go be kind to someone.